Hello lubricant entrepreneurs, oil professionals and Tribology graduates. I would like to quote here Sir Thomas Alva Edison, who used to say, "I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that do not work." By joining Mystica's leadership program, you do not have to repeat the history. The digital age has created a false illusion of self-help by navigating the internet for solution, which is like trying to lift yourself by pulling up your own shoestrings. In a world flooded with information overload, talent alone won't be able to lubricate the gears of success. It will merely feed Mr. Ego. The deeper you dive into the vast ocean of Google and YouTube, the more likely you are going to get lost in the fog and emerge more confused. Time is money and it is flying away. If you have eternal time, please carry on this self-help journey. If you feel the need for speed and really want to fast forward your journey of earning, then Mystica's learning programs are of great significance for you. We say MLS. Money loves speed. We go beyond conventional methods and over-deliver time-bound structural knowledge and hands-on interactive learning experience with practical tools of transformation to oil entrepreneurs, Tribology aspirants, as well as experienced Lube professionals. Mystica is the implementation partner on the journey to your rock-solid success. Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Ahuja. I am a leadership coach rooted in strong spiritual values. I am the founder of Mystica Chemicals Private Limited Mumbai, which provide training and coaching services to lubricant industry. I am a Bachelor of Technology and MBA with Bright Academics. I am on a mission to create SalesTribe of Tribologist, a new breed of leaders who can elevate the benchmark of entire lubricant industry. Since 2001, I have been active in the overseas and domestic lubricant and petrochemical industry. I am privileged with international technical trainings in the United States, Germany, Italy, Taiwan and Dubai, where I could learn the finest global industrial perspectives. I intend to give this treasure trove of knowledge back to the industry. We conduct very few such courses, so click the link below to join our Lube leadership program and avail early bird benefit if you sign up today. If you have more doubts and queries, click the webinar link to attend my 3 hours Lube leadership workshop to gain insightful value that will surely help you to master your sales game in the tactical realm of Tribology. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the class.